Okay, so I forgot to mention any of you that are trying to get help from different resources, you want to go to the SBA's website. And SBA will help you with funding, but they will also help you put together a business plan. They have classes, and some of the loan options or programs require you to take some courses. I remember that when I first opened my first salon, I had borrowed a small amount because at the time the business wasn't open for long, so I just needed a little something. It took me 10 years to pay $5,000 back. I think I paid them $100 a month for that long. Yeah, it's a lot of money. Um, but obviously you do things differently. What the hey? But make sure that it makes sense to you. If you have good credit and if you have a property, you can always take a line of credit out at a lower interest rate, and the payment terms, the repayment terms are a little bit better than some of these other programs. So you always want to do your due diligence. You want to see what the terms, if you want to pay back sooner, is there any penalties to pay back sooner? Is it something that you can afford comfortably? You don't want to get yourself in debt, and you don't want to bet your house or your property. Some people borrow against their 401k. Now, something smart that I would recommend, if you have some savings, I would look into getting a whole life insurance. And no, I'm not an insurance broker, so I'm not trying to sell that to you. But from what I gather from researching it, whole life insurance can also work like a bank for you. You're going to be paying yourself back because it's your money, and the bank will loan you money against your own money, so that then you pay yourself back, and it makes more sense than to pay someone else back, some institution. So if you have 401k, let's say instead of taking out 401k, you can maybe borrow a small amount, put it into your whole life, enough that then you can borrow it, so that then you're still keeping your 401k money part of your retirement and part of investment. Because whole life insurance, you can take that money out and you can do what you need to do with it without affecting your whole life insurance policy. You might want to take a minimum policy, but it's worth it in the end. But ask a smart licensed insurance broker for options as far as that. But whole life insurance, that's what you want. Talk to you guys soon.